students, in last session the question number 5th from our exercise 14.3 is completed. Now we discuss 6th from exercise 14.3. The question number 6 in your textbook on your page number 289. See the question first. 100 surnames were randomly picked up from local telephone directory, and the frequency distribution of the numbers of letters in English alphabet in surnames was obtained as follows. Number of letters and the number of surnames written in on table 1 to 4, 4 to 7. The class intervals are continuous form and the regarding frequencies are given. In the question there are 100 surname. The 100 surname is sigma fi is equals to 100. The addition of 6, 30, 40, 16, 4 and 4 is 100. In this question we determine the median number of letters in the surname. Second, find the mean number of letters of surname and also find the model size of the surname. The first of all, we calculate the mean number of the surname. For the mean, the first write here calculation of mean. Calculation of mean, which is x bar. For that we required 5 table. As we know, the step deviation method is cut out from our syllabus. The first is direct method, the second is assuming method, and third is the step deviation method to find mean of group frequency distribution, in which 2 are in our syllabus but step deviation method is cut out from our syllabus. But as we know how to find mean using the step deviation method is just for our understanding, but 2 methods are in our syllabus, so that in this sum we calculate the mean using first or second, but more convenient is the assuming method. Okay. For the assuming method we required 5 table. First write the formula. X bar is equals to A plus sigma Fi di upon sigma Fi. The sigma Fi is here. The third column is for class mark. Then the next column is for di. Di is equals to xi minus A, and last is equals to Fi into di. The class mark, to find the class mark, addition of lower limit in upper limit 1 plus 4, 5 divided by 2, which is 2.5. Now the class size h is equals to 3. Here we add 3, 2 plus 3, 5.5, 5 plus 3, 8.5, 8 plus 3, 11.5, 11 plus 3, which is 14.5, and 14 plus 3, which is 17.5 is our class marks. Now di. To find the di, first of all assume A. Let us take 8.5 as a in front of A. Di is 0. Below side we subtract 8.5 from 11.5, we get 3. 14.5 minus 8.5, we get 6, then 9. Upside, which is minus 3 and minus 6, because the class size of all class intervals are equal. Now we multiply Fi with di. Fi, number of surnames are Fi. 6 6 are 36 minus 36. 30 into 3 are minus 90. In front of 0, which is 0. 16 3s are 48. 24. And 9 4s are 36. Here plus minus 36 is cut. Addition of 48 and 24 is equals to 2, carry 1, 72. 90 minus 72, we get 8, 18. It is our sigma Fi di is equals to 18, but it is a minus 18. Now we substitute the value here, assuming A is equals to 8.5 plus sigma Fi di minus 18, and sigma Fi is equals to the 100. 8.5 remains as it is, plus minus minus 0.18. Now we subtract 0.18 from 8.5. 0.18, 0, 2, 3, and here is the 8.32. X bar is equals to 8.32. 8.32 is the mean of given data. The mean of given data means the mean surnames. Then we are right answer here. Therefore, mean number of surname, mean number of letters in surname, mean number of letters in surname is 8.32. Hence here the calculation of mean is completed. Now we calculate median. Calculation of median. Median is denoted by capital M. For the median we require class intervals, frequency Fi, and last column is CF. To find the CF, less than type CF, 6 as it is, 6 plus 30 which is 36, 36 plus 40, 76, 76 plus 16, 92 plus 4, 96, 96 plus 4 which is 100. Here the cumulative frequency of last class interval and the total frequency Fi both are equal, hence the column of CF is 100% true. To find the median, first of all we decide median class using sigma Fi and finding n upon 2. Sigma Fi is equals to n is equals to 100, that's why n upon 2 is equals to 100 upon 2. 50s are. Here the cumulative frequency 76 is first greater than n upon 2. Here cumulative frequency is first greater than n upon 2, which lies in the class interval 7 to 10. So that 7 to 10 is our median class. Therefore, class 7 to 10 is median class. Now we decide first median class. Now we required L. L is equals to lower limit of median class 7. Then class size H is equals to the class size H is 3 here because of continuous frequency distribution is given. Then we take F and the CF, n by 2 is above 50. F is equals to frequency of median class. 7 to 10 is our median class. Frequency F is 50 and the CF of its previous class CF is 36, 40 and 36. Now we apply formula to find median. M is equals to L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F into H, where L is equals to 7 plus n upon 2 50 minus CF is 36 upon F is equals to 40 and the class size H is equals to 3. 7 remains as it is. 50 minus 36 14 upon 40 multiply with 3, 2 7s are and 2 20s are. 7 plus 21 upon 20. 21 upon 20 gives 21 upon 2, 10.5, which is 1.05. 8.05 is the answer of our median. Median M is equals to 8.05. In the question says that find the median number of letters in the surname. Therefore, median number of letters in the surname is 8.05. Hence, the median is completed here. Now we calculate mode for the data. Calculation of mode. For mode, we required 5 terms: L, H, F0, F1 and F2. To find the mean, first of all we decide a model class to finding the highest frequency, which is 40. Here highest frequency 40 lies in the class, the 40 lies in the class 7 to 10. Therefore, class 7 to 10 is model class. Now we decide L is lower limit 7, class size H is 3, then F0, F1, F2. F1 is equals to the highest frequency, means the frequency of model class 40, because our 7 to 10 is a model class. Its previous 30, which is F0, and its succeeding 16, which is F2. Now we apply formula to find mode. Mode is equals to L plus into bracket F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. L is equals to 7 plus F1 40, F0 30 upon 2 into F1 2 into 40 minus F0 30 minus F2 16, and the class size is 3. 7 as it is, 40 minus 30 10 upon 42 is 80 minus 46 multiply with 3. F0, F1 and F2 are consecutive. Highest frequency is called F1, but it's F for finding a median. Seven as it is plus 30 is now we subtract 46 from 80, 4, 5 minus 4 which is 24, which is 34, 7 minus 4 34. Now cut is possible by 2 2, 7 plus 15 upon 17. Now we divide 15 by 17. 8s are 136, 4 and 1 again 8s are, the continuous is there. 7 plus 0.88, 7.88 is the answer of mode. As we know, the symbolically mode is denoted by a Z. Hence the mode is completed, and the third question is find the model size of surname. Hence the model size of surname is 7.88. In the question number 6, there are 3 different types of mean, median and calculation of mode is required. The first is for mean, second is for median and last is for mode. Question number 7, try yourself because the 7th number which is most easy. Question number 7, try yourself because in the question number 7 we require to find median weights of student. They simply find the median using the given table. Now we discuss 2 more extra sums. Let's see 2 more extra sums. The question in examination like this: mean of given data is 28.5 and the total frequency is 50. Find the missing frequency F1 and F2. We need to find the missing frequency F1 and F2. As we know how to find missing frequency, one missing frequency in mean, but it is a 2 missing frequency. Method will be same. We use here assume mean method because the step deviation method is cut out from our syllabus. The third column is for class mark xi, fourth column is for di xi minus a, and last is for fi into di. The first of all we have to find sigma fi using fi, f1 plus f2 as it is. Now we add 20, 15, 4 and 6 which is 45 is our sigma fi. Now class mark xi, 0 plus 10 divided by 2, 5, and here is the class size h is 10. We have to add 10, 10, 15, 25, 35, 45 and the last is 55. To find di, first of all assume a in front of f1 class mark or f2 class mark, assume as a. Suppose let us take 15 as a or 45 as a, there is no issue. Suppose 45 as a, in front of a di is a 0, we have to subtract a from the xi. 55 minus 45 gives us 10. Xi minus a, below side the positive, upside is negative. If you are using here is a, here is a 0, the negative values are less. If we assume 15 as a, 25 minus 15, 10, then 20, 30, 40 as your convenience. If you have to take 45 as a is also true, 15 as a also true. Xi minus a which is minus 10. Now multiply fi with di, minus 60, 0, 20 into 100, 200, 300, 30 into f2, 30 f2 and the 160. Sigma fi di is obtained here. 30 f2 remains as it is. Now 500, 660 minus 60 gives plus 600 which is our sigma fi di. Here assume mean a is equals to 15. First of all we are using sigma fi. The sigma fi in question given that 50. Now let's see the question first. Here sigma fi is not 50 but sigma fi is 60 in the question. Sigma fi is 60. Sigma fi from question f1 plus f2 plus 45 is equals to 60. First obtain the equation. As we know how to find 2 missing frequencies in median, f1 plus f2 is equals to 60 minus 45. That's why f1 plus f2 is equals to 15 which is our first equation. Now we use formula of mean. Now x bar is equals to A plus sigma Fi di upon sigma Fi, where x bar is given 28.5 is equals to A is 15 plus sigma Fi di is 330 F2 plus 600 upon sigma Fi given in the question, which is 60. We shift 15 to right to left. Suppose if you are able to take 30 as a common, then first of all take common for our convenience into bracket F2 plus 20 upon 60, 32 are 28.5 minus 15, which is 5, 3 and 1, 13.5. We multiply it by 2, F2 plus 20. 27 is equals to F2 plus 20. By making F2 as a subject, we get 27 minus 20. That's why F2 is equals to 7. One missing frequency, F2 is 7 here. Now to obtain another missing frequency, we are using equation number 1. From equation 1, F1 plus F2 is equals to 15, where F1 as it is, F2 is 7 is equals to 15. Now making F1 15 minus 7, F1 is equals to 8 here. Hence, two missing frequencies are F1 is equals to 8 and F2 is equals to 7. Two missing frequencies are obtained here. Now we see the next number. Next number in the examination asked like this. In the given frequency distribution, mode of data is 39. Find the missing frequency F. In mode, there is a no missing frequency sum given in our textbook, but which is a very easy. The first of all, using the mode 39, mode 39, mode is equals to 39, lies in the class 35 to 45. Therefore, the class 35 to 45 is model class. Model class is decided here. Seven is the highest frequency. The frequency of model class is called F1. Its previous F0 and its succeeding F2. Here lower limit of model class is 35. The class size H is equals to 10, F0, F1 and F2 in the table. Now we apply the formula. Mode is equals to L plus into bracket F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H, where the mode is given in the question 39, L lower limit is 35 plus F1 is equals to 7 minus F0 F upon 2 into F1, 2 into 7 minus F minus F2, which is 4, and the class size H is equals to 10. We shift 35 right to left. We get 39 minus 35 is equals to 7 minus F as it is upon 7 2s are 14 minus F minus 4. The bracket is over and multiply 10 as it is. 39 minus 35, 4 is equals to 7 minus F, 10 minus F into 10. We multiply 10 minus F with the 4, 10 minus F, and 10 multiply with 7 minus F. 40 minus 4F is equals to 70 minus 10F. Shift 40 left to right and minus 10F right to left. 10F minus 4F is equals to 70 minus 40. 6f is equals to 30. That's why f is equals to 30 upon 6. 6 5s are. Therefore, f is equals to 5. Therefore, missing frequency f is equals to 5 is obtained. 2 extra sums are completed. Practice these sums for our examination also. Mean, median and mode. The step deviation method is not in our syllabus. Whenever we meet in next session, we discuss some new thing.